Good morning, sixth graders. It is Monday, and I wanted to touch base with you. We do not have a sixth grade work day this week because of parent-teacher conferences, so there was a couple things I wanted to go over with you. This week you're working on your infographics, so you're switching to an informational text and reading those and then making an infographic. So reminder with the infographic. Your point and the reason that you're doing something in that fashion is to give a lot of information, important information, real, accurate facts to your reader, but you're going to do it in a short snippet type of a way. So instead of overwhelming them with a lot of information like a big article would do, this is going to give them the opportunity to see what you want to share with them, but not giving them so much information that it overwhelms them. So add those important details, but remember, not everything that you read in the passage has to be shared on your infographic, just the things that you find most important. The second thing I wanted to talk to you about is the next week we're going to start reading Maniac McGee. And a couple of you have asked me about which version of the story you should get. I do have a few copies here up at the school if you want to borrow from me, but I know that there's a lot of different versions and there's a lot of different page numbers. So the way that we're setting up the reading is by chapters and not by pages. And sometimes I ask you to refer to the text or to share with me how you know. Give me textual evidence. And you can put your page number on there, that's okay. But you could say things like, according to the text, or in chapter 7. But a lot of you have started, if you have started reading that, in your quizzes, you are not giving me textual evidence. So I'm going to add something else into your lessons about textual evidence, but I want you to make sure that you're doing that. So if you're answering a question and it says cite textual evidence from the story, that means that you need to tell me specifically in the story where you're getting your information. So you could say, this is the answer, or say, according to the text, I found it here. Or on page 72, it says this, or when reading the story, I found that Maniac says these things. I want you to be specific and show me where in the text you found these answers, or give me a specific example from the text. So you could say, in chapter 7, Maniac says this, and that means whatever the correct answer is. So if you need help on that, let me know, but I will be counting down on those things if they are not done correctly, because that's an important skill for you to learn. Is I want your opinion, but I want you to back it up with actual evidence from the story. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. Like I said, there's no in-house this week on Wednesday, so don't forget that. And I will be by my computer and my phone this week, so give me a call if you need a book, or you can stop in. I will leave a few of those in the office for you to check out. So have a great week.